The manslaughter trial continues for two former JP deputies. They were accused of shooting 37-year-old Daniel Vallee 27 times. Good evening and thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Sharice Gibson. Devin is off tonight. This happened 2 years ago in Marrero while the deputies were responding to a noise complaint. It's a story that we've covered since that day in 2022. Our crews have been following along since the trial began this week. Lily Cummings continuing our coverage. She was at the courthouse today, joining us now in studio with the very latest. Lily.
Well, Sharice, it was a long day for jurors, and Judge Chris Cox said they can expect another long day tomorrow. Testimony will resume at 9:30 a.m. at the JP Courthouse in Gretna. But here's a recap of what happened today. On Wednesday, jurors heard the sworn statements from two former Jefferson Parish deputies, Jonathan Lewis and Isaac Hughes. The two men are accused of shooting and killing 34-year-old Daniel Vallee. When asked why he fired his weapon at Vallee, Hughes said, "He's skittish and threatening to drive off. I told him to stop reaching. I didn't know if he was reaching for a gun or not. I saw the guy's hand drop, and I believed the car was coming toward me, and I fired rounds." The chaotic, intense confrontation happened in 2022 in Marrero. The jury viewed security and body cam video. The first audio you hear in the body cam video is Lewis saying, "I'm going to shoot you, boy." A former JPSO deputy chief, the lead crime scene analyst on the case, said the evidence indicated they fired at Vallee 27 times, with 7 or 8 bullets striking his body. Under defense questioning, the deputy chief admitted he could not conclude any of the bullets recovered from Vallee's body came from Hughes's gun. The defense argued that Vallee reached for the gear shift on the white SUV he was driving, but a sergeant who trains JPSO deputies testified that deputies are taught to never get in front of a car unless they know the vehicle is completely disabled. The prosecution emphasized that the law Vallee broke was being in possession of drug paraphernalia, a misdemeanor, saying he would still be alive today if officers arrested him rather than pulling the trigger. Well, the jury is expected to hear from a use of force expert. He's expected to testify that Lewis and Hughes were not in imminent danger and there was no justifiable reason to use deadly force. That would play a key role in buttoning up the state's case against the former deputies. Sharice?
Lily, thank you so much for your coverage.